from Roxyrockstv. Subscribe. And today I'm gonna try some pasalubong. Some Filipino snacks and 2 random tropical fruits that I found at the supermarket, but I cannot make a video trying only 2 fruits, right? So I did this mix. Let me know clicking on the I if I can mix fruits and snacks in this type of videos, or if you want only snack videos and only fruit videos. And now let's start. Special tikoi. So this is rice, coconut milk and sugar. Ta-da! It looks like this. It kind of looks like Play-Doh. I have the green one and the purple one. You just cut it in pieces and then you put some flour, then you fry it and then it becomes like this. Let's try it! Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. It's good. It kind of tastes like the outside of the mochi because it's rice, but the consistency is a little bit more crispy because it's fried, and it's also sweeter. I'm gonna give it an 8. And I also want to try the purple one. That one is made from ube, which is the purple yam. 8 to this one too. Next! Banana chips! I tried banana chips in the past, but this is another brand and I'm gonna try it again. They're good. They're sweeter than other brands I tried, maybe because they're made with coconut oil, but I like the little rice pancakes that I tried earlier, so I'm gonna give this 7. Next, mango puree. So this is interesting because it's not juice, it's mango puree, and I didn't get a glass, so I'm gonna drink from the bottle. Shh. Shake well. I'm gonna do it like this. Yeah, I'm not sure this one, I don't know. I wouldn't drink this. It's dense, not particularly sweet. I'm not a fan of mango, so 5. Next! Shh. Next! Money Gold! Oh no, I tried this before and I think I hated it. This is chewy tamarind candy. I think they were sour. I think that was the problem. Ew! No. No, guys, this is super sour and this I can't do it. I'm giving it a 4. This video is a disaster. Let's move on to the fruits and hope for the best. Strawberry papaya. I tried the normal papaya and I didn't like it. But this one is called strawberry and I like strawberries, so I thought maybe I like this one. I don't know. Let's open it. Zan zan zan. Gocce di pioggia su di noi. Senza di te mi sento triste sola. Tu 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 na 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 pam para pam. I like this. It doesn't taste like the big papaya. This tastes so much sweeter and it's so much better. I'm gonna give it an 8. Next! Okay, and now let's try the KUMQUATS. These look like super small oranges, and I read that I have to cut it in half, remove the seeds, and then you eat it without peeling them. Let's see. Okay. Oh my gosh, okay. Oh my gosh, guys, this is so many flavors outside is really sour, but the skin is really sweet. So together, it actually tastes good. I like it better than the tamarind candy for sure. So I'm gonna give it a 7. I like it, I think. And that's it. Subscribe. I went to the best food convention ever, and next Tuesday I wanna post the vlog. Don't miss that vlog, because in that vlog I let you vote for the following video, so don't miss that. Also guys, they gave me so much food, so many snacks. I ate so much. Don't miss that vlog. As always, I say hi to all these people who send me cute messages. Let me know in the comments which snack or fruit you would try. And as always, I say hi to all these people who send me cute messages. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Mwah! Roxyrockstv, Roxyrockstv. You are watching Roxyrockstv.
Roxyrockstv, Roxyrockstv. You are watching Roxyrockstv. Watching Roxyrockstv.
They look like little poops.